Hello everyone, we continue our journey on the Llama 3 model, and on this content we will see how we can deploy the Llama 3 on the PAI-EAS. How about without doing anything, just you can one click deploy the Llama 3 model on the Alibaba Cloud and run it on the WebUI with a command, or you can even go to the API. Moreover, in previous we use a virtual machine, and virtual machine is even if pay-as-you-go, it's inconvenient to stop or run and some kind of task, save costing on the GPU resources, which is quite expensive. Let's start from the words to the practice. So we go to the console. On the console I will choose the platform for AI. You can type it if it's not on the recent list. So platform for AI. Then you need to create all of the environment, but I will not create it because I already have workspace. And on the link, again, below the link, we will have the how to do this one. It's quite straightforward. After you create your workspace environment, you can have this kind of view, and we need to go to the Elastic Algorithm Services. As you can see, I have some deployed services, but let's assume we want to create new one. So we can give the Llama 3 WebUI, and we need to choose here deployment WebUI using image, and here it's ready. We need to choose chat LLM WebUI. You can choose a version. We will change this version. Later we will have the version 3.03, but for the current one, here we can manually change it to the 0.3. And on the command line, I already have prepared command line. It should be basically used like port and then model path Llama 3 and model type Llama 3. So resources, we need the GPU resources, and if we can get a B100 at least, it will be good. So it's quite hot, but we have them. Run it, and that's all. We need to press deploy. Press OK. So deployment takes 5 to 10 minutes. We will back after deployment is finished. Good. Now it's our application is running. We can go inside and press WebUI, and we have the chat LLM WebUI. You can just type who are you, and it should give us some feedback. We can change the max topics and top K, top T, temperature, sample, and even about the history. So it can give the answer that's running, and the API is available as well. We can check the endpoint and run it. So enjoy your experience with Llama 3 model on Alibaba Cloud. See you the next time. Stay tuned.